This application has revolutionized the way businesses receive payments from their customers. You don't need a POS terminal, all you need is an NFC-enabled smartphone to receive payments. Swwipe Financial Services developed this application and are championing the future of mobile-first payments for businesses. With the Swwipe application and your smartphone, your business can receive payments through 4 methods: tap to pay, bank transfer, USSD, and debit or credit card payments using a PIN pad terminal. And if your business is online, Swwipe has a payment gateway that you can integrate into your website or app. The Swwipe application is available on the Google Play Store and coming soon on the Apple App Store. If you own an Android smartphone, open the Google Play Store, search for Swwipe, download and install the application. The registration process is easy and it shouldn't take more than 3 minutes to open an account for your business. If your business has ever applied for a POS terminal, you would know that using the Swwipe application is light years faster and you can start receiving payments for your business as soon as you complete the registration process. As I mentioned earlier, with the Swwipe application, you can receive payments via 4 different payment methods. These 3 payment methods will work on all Android smartphones, but for tap to pay to work, your Android smartphone needs to have a feature called NFC. To check if it's available on your smartphone, go to the settings at the top, search for NFC and enable it. Now, do not be afraid, the tap to pay method is secure. After tapping the back of your smartphone with the ATM card, the customer will need to enter their PIN and that's it. Payment received. Here's the receipt of the transaction, which you can send via WhatsApp or email. For bank transfers, there are 2 options to this. You can either use the one-time bank transfer option to generate an account number every time your customer wants to pay you, or you can use the static account assigned to you on the application. Unlike the static account number, the one-time account number isn't permanent. It expires in 15 minutes. After payment has been made, you can check the payment status to verify if the customer actually transferred the money, and with this, your business can eliminate fake transfers. Moving on to payments via USSD, you will need to select your customer's bank. Almost all banks are available here. A USSD code will be generated for your customer to dial on their smartphone. Once the transfer has been made, you can check the payment status to verify if the payment was successful. This is very important. And for the last payment method, you can receive payments via debit or credit card using the PIN pad terminal. You will need to purchase the terminal from Swwipe to be able to use this payment method. Now, all the payments you receive will go to your Swwipe wallet. To view your wallet, go to the dashboard and tap on this icon to view the amount collected for the day and the wallet balance. Another thing I like about Swwipe is you can withdraw the money in your wallet to your bank account at no charge. Tap on withdraw, enter the amount you want to withdraw and your password. Now let's see how long it's going to take for the money to reflect in our bank account. You can tap on withdrawal history to view all your withdrawals and their status. Still on the dashboard, you can see all the payments you have received and the channels they came in through. Under transactions, you can also see all the money you have received, and if you want to see a transaction for a specific period, tap on filter and specify the start and end date and the payment channels. Now, for instances where a customer says his account has been debited and you haven't received the payment, you can create a dispute and check on the status of that dispute. And for businesses that have more than 1 cashier like a supermarket, the Swwipe application allows you to create multiple sub-accounts under your main account. The main account will be able to monitor all the payments from the different sub-accounts. It's safe and secure, and the sub-accounts won't be able to withdraw from the wallet. They will only be able to view their transactions. Now, as a business owner, I know what you're thinking at this point. How safe is our money with Swwipe? Well, Swwipe Financial Services is licensed by the Central Bank of Nigeria and they are PCI DSS certified. The Swwipe application has numerous advantages, like it takes less than 3 minutes to open a Swwipe account and your business can start receiving money immediately. You don't need a POS terminal anymore. All you need is an NFC-enabled smartphone to start receiving payment, and to transfer money from your Swwipe wallet to your bank account, you can do that at no cost. For the disadvantage, the only one I can see is businesses who will need to purchase an NFC-enabled Android smartphone and the PIN pad terminal to be able to use all the payment methods. So that's my review of the Swwipe application. I really do think it's a game changer for businesses. It's the future of payments. If you own a business, try it out and let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. Valor Reviews, signing out.